Hello friends, welcome to Mechnotech YouTube channel. This is the second video for MCQ on mechanical measurement and metrology subject. So start with question 26. Which color radiation of krypton 86 is selected for measurement? So it is orange color. Okay. So for krypton 86 it is orange color as a radiation is selected, right? Now question 27. A Vernier scale is good enough to read in after decimal. So answer is B, 2 digits. So Vernier scale after decimal, it's good enough to measure 2 digits, right? So here answer is 2 digits. Question 28. Vernier calipers advantage over the micrometer is that. So you can see here A, B, C, D is largest one. So maximum possibility answer is largest one, but we should read all carefully. So here answer is it can be used to make both inside as well as outside measurement. Okay, so vernier caliper able to measure inside as well as outside measurement over a range of sizes, right? So answer is A, while micrometer cannot measure inside as well as outside at the same time, right? Now question 29. Which one of the following is not a part of vernier caliper? So depth measuring blade, it's part, beam is a part, ratchet, it's not a part of vernier caliper. So question 9, answer is C, right? Locking screw is also part of vernier caliper. Now question 30, what is the least count of vernier caliper? So answer is B. The least count of vernier caliper is 0.02, right? So 30 answer is B. Now I think you should know the least count, right? If you don't know, you can see my all lectures of measurement. Question 31. What is the least count of micrometer? So here it is 0.01. Okay, so micrometer least count is 0.01. Okay, next is question 32. The lost motion of spindle in micrometer screw gauge when the rotation of the thimble is changed in the direction is referred to as. It means there is a thimble, right? It's like this on the micrometer. When you rotate this side, and now if you are rotating this side and there is one thing is missing over here while you rotate this side and then this side, so while you rotate opposite side there is some lost motion is there, right? So that lost motion is called the backlash. Okay, so question 32 answer is C. Now question 33, what is the purpose of using ratchet screw in micrometer screw gauge? The purpose of ratchet screw is to maintain uniform pressure. Okay, question 33 answer is A, to maintain uniform measuring pressure. Now question 34, if the spindle of the micrometer does not move by rotating the thimble, then the instrument is said to have, it's called the backlash error. Same here. Okay, here backlash, so here it is an error called the backlash error, right? Now question 35, depth micrometer is a special micrometer used to measure. Here we talk about depth micrometer. So its use is to measure the depth of the holes, right? The depth of the groove and recesses, right? The height of the shoulders or projections, right? So answer is D, all of this, right? So question 35 answer is D. 36, in an outside micrometer the anvil by exactly 1 mm turns open. So answer is 2. When it turns 2 round, then anvil move for 1 mm, right? So question 36 answer is 2. Now 37, circular scale on a micrometer is marked on the option. Answer is C. Okay, 37 answer is C, thimble. Okay, So marking is given on the thimble. Now next 38, while taking a measurement with help of the micrometer, which two parts of the micrometer are used to hold the specimen? So I hope you understand the micrometer. So answer is spindle and anvil, right? So these two parts used for the measurement, or we can say hold the specimen. Now 39, which of the following is incorrect about the micrometer? You just read four answer, pause the video and read four answer. I will give you directly the wrong answer, which one is incorrect, right? So 39 answer is C. The graduated surface diameter of the barrel should be 5 mm. So this is wrong. All other are right regarding the micrometer. Now question 40, how many divisions are graduated on the thimble? So answer is D. There are 50 divisions are graduated on the thimbles. You see the micrometer, right? So thimble is like this. So total 50 divisions are on the thimble. Now question 41, what is the range of reading error for measuring a range of height gauges of 250 mm? So 41 answer is A, 0.02. Okay. Now question 42, what is the standard reference temperature for measurement of accuracy of vernier height gauge? So what should be the standard temperature? While you measuring, what should be the temperature? It is 20 degree centigrade, right? Question 43, the accuracy of micrometers, calipers, dial indicators can be checked by a. It is checked by slip gauge. Answer is B. Question 44, two slip gauges in precision measurement are joined by. So slip gauges are joined by the ringing process, right? You know what is the ringing process. Then question 45, the inspection purpose are used slip gauges. So for the inspection purpose we use 00 grade, right? There are total 5 grade of slip gauge. For inspection purpose we use this grade. Question 46, what is the approximate size of the slip gauge? So the size of slip gauge is 30 mm long. It is like, if it is this way, then it is 30 mm long and 10 mm wide. So this is 10 mm. So this is 10 mm and this is 30 mm, right? So answer is 30 mm long and 10 mm wide. Now question 47, the thickness of oil film at the surface of the slip gauge is of the order of, so the thickness of the film is 0.005 micron. Question 47 answer is A. Now question 48, blank is used for accurate setting of tail stock. So answer is B, slip gauge. Question 48 answer is B, slip gauge used for accurate setting of tail stock. Now question 49, the high grade set of slip gauge preserved in a factory and not put into general use would be a standard of the type. So if slip gauge used in the factory for general use means for standard something, so it is called the working type standard, right? Now last question, slip gauges were invented by. So the slip gauges were invented by C.E. Johanson's, right? So question 50 answer is A, C.E. Johansson. Okay, so I hope you understand. If you like this video, press like button, share this video to your friends and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.